So do you also use Justdial to get more leads for your own business? Then this video can be really helpful for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video we are going to understand how to add Justdial leads to Notion. So like you, I also use Justdial to get more leads for my own business, and now what I want is that as soon as we receive a new lead from Justdial, I want to add the lead details into my Notion database, that too without any manual intervention. So to do this, we are going to create a connection between Justdial and Notion, and we are going to create this connection without knowing any programming or coding language using an amazing automation software which is Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to create this amazing automation or connection between Justdial and Notion for your own business, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So let's begin and create a connection between Notion and Justdial. So to do this, I've opened the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and if you're an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. But if you're a new user, you're going to get the Pabbly Connect's landing page URL in the description box below. Go on that URL in the top right corner. You're going to get the option of sign up for free. So click on sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. Then log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder and follow me. So this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Justdial and select it. For the event, we have to select it as new leads and click on this connect, and over here we have received this webhook URL. So to automate the lead capture, you have to copy this webhook URL and configure it in your Justdial account. And to do this, you have to reach out to your account manager from Justdial. Because Justdial portal doesn't have the provision to add the webhook URL on their user interface, you have to reach out to the backend team or your point of contact from Justdial and ask them to add this webhook URL in your account. And once they add this webhook URL in your account, automatically you will receive the webhook response, which is the details of the lead over here. Whenever you're going to receive the new lead details, the workflow is going to get triggered and Pabbly is going to capture this webhook response. I have already added this webhook URL in my account, so let's capture this webhook response. And you can see we have successfully captured this webhook response. You're going to see the first name, last name, phone number, email, the company name. And I'm going to add these details into my Notion database. For that, I'm going to click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm going to search for Notion and select it. For the event, I'm going to select it as create database item and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Notion and Pabbly Connect, click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me. Click on add a new connection and then connect with Notion. Once we click on this connect with Notion, you have to keep in mind that you have logged in your Notion account prior starting to this automation. Otherwise, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your application and then only it is going to give you this page. Alright, so you have to make sure that you have to log in your applications before starting with the automation. And once you're going to come on this page, you're going to see that Pabbly Connect is asking for some permissions. You have to go towards this select pages and you have to select some pages for which you want to give the permission. So if you wish, you can definitely give the permission for all the pages, but I'm going to select some particular pages which is this lead details in which I want to add. Alright, so I'm going to simply select the page, move on further and click on this allow access. And once I'm going to click on this allow access, my Notion is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now we have to select the database over here and one by one we have to add all of these details. But we are not going to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So one by one I'm going to map all of these details. First I'm going to map the phone number, email, first name, company name. So all of these details I'm going to map which I want to add in my Notion database. Now after mapping all of these details, it is asking me for the content. So this is not important. If you wish, you can definitely fill this too. Now we have to click on the save and send test request and you're going to see we have received the positive response that we have successfully added these details in our Notion database. So let's open a Notion and you're going to see the details have been added, be it the first name, the last name, the email, the phone number or the company name. The details are exactly the same and added right over here. And with this, we have successfully completed completed our workflow. Now whenever we're going to receive a new lead from Justdial, automatically the details of the lead will be added in my Notion database. All of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back in again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.